All right, so for Module 6, Lesson 7 and Lesson 8, they have the same objective. So that means you're going to be doing the same thing, but you just might be practicing a couple different ways. So I'm going to show you 7 and 8 together. So the objective is represent measurement data with line plots. So there's 2 steps to that. The first step is to draw a line plot representing measurement data. So you'll see a chart with the data or information in it, and you're going to take that data and make a line plot. Okay. Then the second part is you're going to plot data set on the line plot. So you're going to take that data, that information from the chart, and put it on the line plot. So here is our data. So this is about the growth of mice. And it's in inches. So it's going to be represented in inches on our number line. So here they are all here. They're mostly in between 3 and 4 inches. So we're going to make our graph. So we're going to put the title of the graph. So the title of the graph would be length of mice in inches. So let us write that in. Length of mice in inches. So that's our title. Now at the bottom here, we have our 2 arrows. We have our straight line. And it looks like it's already, some of it has been written in for us. So we're going to start with 3. And then I notice here it's split up into fourths. So my next number would be 3 and 1/4. What would the number be? 3 and what? Well, you could say 2/4, or you could say 1/2, because 2/4 equals 1/2. 3 and 3/4, and next would be 4. 4 and what? 1/4. 4 and 2/4, or 4 and 1/2. And it looks like here there's a key. 1x equals 1 mouse. I'll just put a little note here to show you that that's a key. And a label. What is the label? All right, so let's put our tick marks or our X's for each length. So let's go back and look quick. Okay. So what I like to do is I like to cross them off and then write them down and put the tick mark. So there's 2 3s. Okay, let's see what number comes next. 3 and 3/4. So there's 1, 2, just 2. 1, 2. What's next? 3 and, is there 3 1/2? No, 3 1/2. Okay. 3 and 3/4. 1, 2, 3. I made a mistake. Good thing I can erase it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if there are any 4s. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back. How many 4 and 1/4? 1, 2. And 4 and 1/2. There's 2. Or 4 and 2/4. 2/4 is the same as 1/2. And the label here would tell us that this is in inches. Okay, so that is how you make one of these graphs with the These here are called the tick marks. And then the X's represent how many in each category. So, for Module 6, Lesson 8, represent measurement data with line plots. That's the same thing. It's the same for each lesson. So the same objective for each lesson. So you're going to, surprise, surprise, do more of these types of graphs where you look at the information, then you label them, you label the tick marks here, and then you count to see how many are in each column or row.